Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Vita versus Sparkle Edit. Vita provides a comprehensive suite of video editing tools, perfect for those who want detailed control over their projects. Sparkle Edit, on the other hand, shines with its user-friendly interface and a wide array of trendy effects and templates, making quick, stylish edits a breeze. Both applications offer excellent free features to get you started. Vita stands out with its advanced features, including precise keyframe animation and chroma key capabilities, allowing for more professional-grade edits. Sparkle Edit, however, truly shines with its extensive collection of trendy effects, filters, and seamless music synchronization options. If you need multi-track editing for intricate projects, Vita is your go-to, while Sparkle Edit offers a huge library of ready-to-use templates for quick creation. When it comes to user experience, Vita offers a more granular control, ideal for editors who prefer precision and a deeper dive into settings. Sparkle Edit, conversely, provides a highly intuitive and streamlined interface, making it incredibly accessible for beginners or those seeking quick, effortless edits. If you're just starting, Sparkle Edit might feel more welcoming, but seasoned editors will appreciate Vita's comprehensive toolkit. Regarding performance and export, Vita supports high-resolution output, allowing you to export your creations in stunning 4K quality. Sparkle Edit, while also offering excellent quality, is particularly optimized for rapid sharing across various social media platforms, ensuring your content looks great and gets out fast. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Both applications provide flexible aspect ratio options, including the popular 16:9.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.